Doge, Doge.
$1 or mystery challenge.
Oh, $1 mystery challenge. Mystery challenge. Oh, Buldak Pokemon 3 times spicy. Let's go. Good Doge, good Doge. People, the time has come. We have Buldak 3 times spicy noodles, the spiciest ramen in the world, and we are gonna consume it because this is Consumer Good Expert with another Consumer Goods review. Get your taste buds ready because it's about to go down. Let's start off with the unboxing. So on the packaging we have the classic Buldak logo. This chicken or duck, whatever it is, the Buldak mascot. And look, the mouth is full of fire and it's crying because this is 3 times spicy. On the back, nutrient values. Let's see how much protein it has. Oh, 10 grams of protein per 100 grams. So this noodle is super healthy. Super healthy. Like the Thai noodles, they have like 2 grams of protein per 100. But this is really good. Here's the guide how to make it and ingredients. A lot of chili things here. Let's see what's inside. Buldak unboxing. It's a little bit crumbly, but that might be because I wasn't so careful with it. Normally the Buldak noodle never crumbles, but this is making some mess here. It's making a little bit mess here. So that's the noodle. Very nice and thick. Here's inside, it's empty. Oh, 3 times fiery noodle soup. This will burn your mouth. And then we have some flakes as well. Yep. Let's start with the cooking process. First, we need to boil 600 ml of water. And by the way, look, I have this new induction stove. Look how fast it cooks water. Let me show you. So, it has this P, power mode. Let's see how fast it is to cook water. Oh, it's making sound. I'm gonna speed it up and we can see how long it takes. Boom! And there we have it. Exactly 2 minutes to boil the water. Thank you, Rosenwell induction stove. Look how fast it's boiling. Oh, it's crazy. It's crazy. Now we throw in the noodles and wait for 5 minutes. Again, the same problem. Stove, the pan, not big enough. We can work it through, let's see. There we go. Wait 5 minutes now. Okay, it's been 5 minutes. Now we take out 8 spoons of water and then we stir fry it. I don't know how big 8 spoons is like. Is this Korean size spoon? I don't know. So maybe I should only take 7. I forgot how many waters I have. I think this is the 8th one, but I might be wrong. So now we take out the water. The water is out. And now it's time to put in the hot sauce. But first maybe the water back in. Let's see. Water back in. Boom. Hot sauce. Boom. Ooh, look at the color. Look at the color. And as classic test, we tried just the sauce. That's spicy. Now we stir fry it for 30 seconds. Oh, I can smell it. The water is coming to my like nose, and it's burning. It's already burning even though I haven't even eaten it. Yeah, let's add in some flakes. What kind of flakes we have this time? Looks like some seaweed and sesame seed. Yummy. Turn off the heat. And there we go. Buldak ready to eat. Oh. Ooh. There we have it. 3 times spicy Buldak noodles. It's time for the truth. Let's see if Buldak 3 times spicy tastes any good. I know it won't taste good. It will just be spicy. But how spicy? We're gonna find out. This time we actually have chopsticks. First time on Consumer Goods Express channel we have authentic Asian eating tools. Ooh. Look, can you hear the sound? This is the sound of pain. Pain in your tongue after you consume this. Ooh. We have to do this fast because it's 15:40 right now and I actually have to go work at 6. So 20 minutes time before I start my work. It takes about 10 minutes for me to go there. So I have 10 minutes time to eat this. Let's do it. Okay. I know this will be hard already. This hits much harder and I'm getting the hiccups also. This hits much harder than other Buldak noodles already. Oh, holy! What is this? This is not good. Oh. One bite and I'm already getting reactions. I feel sweating on my armpits. Oh, not good. Damn, it's spicy. Whew. You know, they just recalled this burger in Denmark or something because it was too spicy, so they banned them. Oh. This is much worse than any other noodle on the market. This is not for baby mouths. This is for chili heads only. Whew. There's no flavor to it. It's only fire noodle sauce. I think this will be the first time I cannot finish the noodles at all. Ooh. I like the thickness of it though. Buldak noodles, they make it so thick, I love it. Sorry, I have to blow my nose now. Ooh. This is not for humans. This is for aliens. Koreans, they're aliens from Mars. How can they eat this food? I have milk in my fridge, but I said I will not take it. It seems like I have to break my promise after eating this. This is not good. You know, I would like to fight this through, but the fact that I have to go work in 6 minutes, makes this impossible challenge for me. But someday I will come back to this challenge and eat the whole thing. But right now I'm just gonna eat some of it. Whew. I don't know if it's good this before work, like how painful I will be at work after eating this, but are we gonna find out? That was easier bite. I'm getting used to it. I haven't eaten hot ramen in a long time, so maybe that's the problem. Yeah, I'm sweating like crazy. Whew. This won't work. This challenge, I should have taken the $1 instead of mystery challenge. I'm sorry, but first time in my YouTube career, I can't consume the food anymore. It's too spicy for me. You know, I'm sorry for disappointing all of you. I'm sorry for Korean people for not being able to eat your traditional food. But this is too spicy for me. This man. I'm getting the milk. I have to get some milk. I feel like baby mouth right now. I eat 2 times spicy noodles without any milk, and 3 times I cannot do it. I'm sorry. Rating for this product, Samyang tuna spicy noodles, it's gonna be I have to say 10 out of 10 because they delivered on their promise. The most spiciest noodle in the world. So yeah, 10 out of 10 because they advertise for spice noodles, they deliver it, and yeah, don't eat these noodles if you can't handle fiery food. But you know, I will come back to this challenge later when I have more time, but when I have problem, I always leave late, and I always like when I have a time limit, I'm always stretching it to the absolute maximum. But this time my time scheduling skills were off because I thought I can finish this in 10 minutes, but I have to make this challenge again with 30 minutes of time eating this noodle, because this takes 30 minutes and then I will eat not any milk. So thanks for watching this continuous review. It was short and it has failed, but I will come back to this challenge. 10 out of 10 Korean fire noodles. So thanks for watching. I will see you guys soon in the next review. Thank you. Now I have to go work. Run. Fast as fuck boy, fast as fuck boy.